Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Photoshop on the Mac, on your computer, on your picture, on your image. So easy way you can do, you just click your image you like. You're gonna see on here the icon show markup toolbar. So you click on there. You're gonna see a lot of program on here for you can do your Photoshop easy way. Like in the first one, you can crop your image to be square or round or design you like. If I click like this, gonna get round shape for you. And you crop, gonna be have like this. Or if you don't like, you want to get only your character, you can do so. You want to crop only, you want to do only area, the different area, or you want to cut out some area, you can use this tool to do your job like this. So cut out from the area you want. But if you don't want like this, you go to undo, it's back, come back for your image. And this one is for you make line, like you want to point to something, you want to make line, and you can change color for your line. Like I change to pink. Okay, I want to point to hair like this, but I want to make shape like this. And you can put shape on here. They have template for you can choose what design you want, what shape you want here, like this. See, have many things for you can do like this. If you don't like, you want to bring to front or send backwards, or you can do if you have many lines you want to do like this. All right. And this is tag. If you want to change tag, you click on there and you put on tag you want, and you can move to what area you like to do. You can organize. And if you want to change color on your tag, you go to here. And or you want to change design of your tag, many different design you can choose for. Your style, what you like to do. And this you can make big size color, or you want to change for other thing. And this for change size your tag. You want to make big or small. Okay. and you want to move to the left side or the right side, the left side or right side or in the middle, you can do so. Okay, and you can change side from here. You can change what side you want, and they're gonna just weight and high for you. Here. Or you want to change high for yourself, you take this out, and you can put whatever you want on high. Okay. And this you can make change. You want to make change color for your picture, you can do too. You can make back shadow, you can highlight, you can do what you like to do for your color. And somebody want to put your sign on your image, you should do like they say, sign your name on white paper, then hold it to be visible to the camera. They tell you to write sign your name on your white paper first, then you can have sign on your image after that. But main thing is, if you want to put a tag, name tag or anything on your image, is easy way to do from the program on Mac. That's what I show you. Only click on here, then you can organize or design you want on your image. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe and write. Bye for now.